Hello guys, and we're playing some Teardown, and it may look like Minecraft. Yeah, you remember old Minecraft? Well, now we're playing Minecraft where we can do this. Yeah, we're playing Minecraft in Teardown, ultra realistic. That includes ultra realistic fires as well. So yeah, we're gonna be in for good times. Hopefully not laggy times. I mean, that would be sad, but you know that has to happen in any Minecraft world. So yeah, so let's see. Let's start, and I would like to spawn in. Oh, I can spawn in TNT. Sure, I'll spawn in TNT. Oh, oh, there's more TNT. Oh, it blows up. Blow, blow, blow. I just destroyed the Minecraft world. There's too much smoke. Can I like get a smoke remover, please? I think I like destroyed the world. Can I pick the grass up? Wow. Okay. So in this world we can obviously do a lot of stuff. So why don't we go and spawn in a propane tank? Excuse me, Ruth. Drop that down there. Please don't blow up. And now we have a vehicle. I'm very good at driving, so this is going to be as simple as pop. The tree's in the way. No. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. But we can still drive it. The vehicle it's stuck, so we need a bit of help, don't we? Yep. The truck. Where did the truck go? I'm just like scooping up all the grass there is in the world. Right. Anyway, I think we set a bit of a fire over here. Right. We need to call the fire people, my bobs. The what are they called? The firemen. Yeah, the fire people. Let's just call them that. Did we put out the fire? We put out the fire, didn't we? Oh no, we didn't. Well, that fire is not going to be... Why don't it put out? Put the fire out! Oh, it's never going to be put out. Yeah, I think this is like an unstoppable fire here. We've got... Yeah, we're never going to be able to stop that fire. That fire's on forever. Wait, no, I've got an idea. I have magic powers. You ready? Cheng. With a click of a finger, I stop the fire. I'm very good at this sort of thing. No, it burnt the crafting table. Mean, that is. So, I think what we can do is come over to one of our friendly villagers. Hello, villager. Hello, how are you doing? No, I'm sorry. I just... No, don't fall over, please. I know you can't see where you're going. Just stay. No, I didn't tell you to try and do a backflip. Just stand up, villager. Now. You know what? You're annoying me, so I'm just gonna, like, liquefy you. Yeah, now, don't mess with me again, because I was just trying to help you, and you don't even want to stand up. I mean, how mean is that? Okay, so, I like setting fires. And I'm gonna burn my head. That sounds fun, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. So, does this wheat burn, or can we even harvest it? I want to harvest the wheat. Do I have a harvester? Oh, yep, that's totally how you harvest a wheat farm. I want to see some more villagers, so. Or Mr. Cow. Oh, he fell over. I'm so. Beg your pardon, Mr. Cow. I'm trying to talk to you. Now stand up, stand up. Stand up. Ah, your head's wonky. You need to go to the doctor. You do, don't you? Come on then, we need to go to... How about you just go to bed with me? Come on. We'll find a place for you to sleep. What did I do? Right, okay, I don't know what's happening. Excuse me? Huh? What just happened? Oh gosh, I mean, caused a bit of destruction there. What? I literally just clicked the button. And there's a fire. This is making things really stressful. Smoke as well. We've got some smoke, red smoke. That will never go away on the roof. Okay. I don't understand what happened over here. I was just trying to find Mr. Cow a place to go to sleep. How about we find this Mr. Cow? And he just flies away. Well, I don't think they really want to be my friend, do they? Let me just pick you up. I'm not... It's because he's... Maybe we set a fire there. Oh, yeah, there's fire. Now, why do none of the cows want to be nice to me? Just trying to help you stand up. Now, please stand up, Mr. Cow. Yeah, this cow's real. Oh, yes, stand up. Right, that's it. I'm going to take you with me. Oh, I've just pulled a piece of the cow off. Sorry, cow. This is what you're going to have to take. I can bandage you up. I'll bandage you up. Bandage you up with some wooden planks. No one can see. What? Why are you moving? Can you not move, please? You're going to hit your foot. Yeah, the cow's alive. Just bandage him up with some wood. There we go, Mr. Cow. Let me open the door. And we can go inside. Inside. Okay, Mr. Cow, just wait there. Wait there a minute. I'm not going to kill you. Okay. Just making a place for you to come in. Oh, I'm getting angry at this cow. He just can't do a simple thing. He just can't go in the house. Just go in the house, Mr. Pig. Cow. Cow, come. Okay, yeah. I think this cow doesn't really want to listen to us, so... Cow. No, yeah. I think we're going to have to end the video here, because Mr. Cow's not listening to us. Just, Cow, I'm so fed up with you. Blow you up. Now you're gone. And you. And there's a skeleton villager. But I think that's going to end the video there. And I hope you had a nice time. And there's a bit of a fire going on, but we'll ignore that. Nobody cares. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.